Ever wished your gate could make life easier and safer for you? What if it could open with a tap, stop for obstacles, and stand strong through any weather? That's why fabricators, engineers, and architects recommend VRG Sliding Gate Opener. Built with high-quality materials, smooth motion, and a powerful motor that ensures long-lasting performance. No need to wait for days or deal with complicated setups. VRG Sliding Gate Opener is designed for quick and hassle-free installation with no complex wiring. Whether you're switching from a manual gate or installing a brand new system, it's simple, efficient. Imagine open and closing your gate with a remote and mobile app from the comfort of your car, home. Your home deserves top-notch security. With VRG Smart Access Control, you can monitor and control who enters your property at any time. Whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation, you'll always have peace of mind knowing your family is safe. Keep your family safe whether you're at home or away. Rain or hot sun, your gate works flawlessly. Designed for all weather conditions, VRG Gate Opener ensures smooth operation in extreme heat, heavy rain, and humidity, making it a long-lasting investment for your home. VRG Sliding Gate Opener comes with intelligent sensors that automatically detect obstacles like kids, pets, or vehicles. If something crosses the gate's path, it stops or reverses immediately, preventing accidents. Join thousands of families who trust VRG Sliding Gate Opener, recommended by engineering experts, for a secure, convenient, and modern lifestyle. Upgrade your home security today.